This 2025 Keystone Passport Classic 190RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features U-Shaped Dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.